Welcome to M365 Professional. Need to add staff members to a bookings calendar in Microsoft Teams. In Bookings, select Add Staff. Staff. Type in who you want and select Add. Choose a role from the drop-down arrow next to the staff's name viewer, admin, scheduler, team member. And when you're done, the new staff members appear in your calendar. If you've been added to a bookings calendar, select Manage Membership in your welcome email. Then confirm your membership if needed. If your membership is already active, then no further action is needed from you. And if you're assigned a scheduled visit, learn more about it in your confirmation email and view it in your bookings calendar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.